Hello, everybody. This is just an overview video of another project that I'm working on. This is a mag in grip version of Alchemist, or an Alchemist style platform, where you got, you know, bars making up the body, bar tensioner system, ball bearings in the priming block, all that fancy stuff. But this one also has a mag going through the grip. This will have both an angled talon version, which is this one right here, and a version for straight talons. Um, the grip for this is roughly based off of the Foxbat grip, which is another one of my other projects. Been modified quite a bit, improved, and it should be quite nice in this compact Springer platform. Uh, if we pull up an Alchemist into the frame, here you go. You can see it is a fair bit. Uh, the new thing is a fair bit shorter than Alchemist. From there to there. This is the same barrel length and same prime length. So this is a 12-inch barrel in this image, and this is a 95 millimeter prime. So that would be 95, about that far. So that's that. This uses a sear back here to catch the plunger. The plunger is different than Alchemist, but should still be quite smooth. I'm going to have quick spring swapping again on this blaster. Easier than Alchemist, hopefully, but still pretty good. The trigger pull on this is done with this blue yoke around the magazine, and then this trigger here has a arm coming off the top like that, which pushes this blue thing forwards, and then this blue thing has a roller down here, which goes on a slope on the sear, like that. So when that blue thing gets pulled forwards, the slope right here engages with that roller, and then lifts up this end of the sear, bringing down this bit, and releasing the plunger. I think that will be a pretty comfortable trigger pull. So that's why I went with this system. This kind of slanted plunger rod setup was recommended by JE, or J, on my Discord server. So thanks to him for that. And then, yeah, the rest of this is just an Alchemist, kind of rearranged. Parts have been flipped around, but for the most part, it's an Alchemist. This is much thinner and slimmer than an Alchemist, so if we go for a front view, and I turn off the origin planes, there we go. You can see Alchemist versus this new thing. New thing is quite a bit thinner than Alchemist. So I'm quite happy with that. And then this stock will also be thin. This is just a placeholder from a other previous project. This stock shape right here. And then of course this will retain the same features as Alchemist. Bearing prime, quick swap barrels, quick swap spring, all that good stuff. The mag and grip portion of this bit right here, uses ball detents to keep the mag in place. So if I hide that, you can see there's two ball detents right here. And those are what are used to hold the magazine in place. So there's no mag release. You just grab the bottom magazine, pull it out. And down here on the bottom, I will probably add two little circular cutouts for you to grab like the super short 6-round Talon magazines, because I think that those will be about flush with the bottom of this, but I haven't checked yet. But I'll address that if it's an issue. So yeah, this is the blaster. It is called Pit Viper, and it's actually a very old project. If I bring over my Discord page, I have the old layout. This is from 5/8/2023, and it originally started out as a direct Foxbat derivative with a plunger system in the back that was the first version of Alchemist before I switched to using a sear and improved the RAM base. So this is an extremely old Alchemist prototype, kind of smashed into the back of a chopped up Foxbat, um, and it looked pretty good. Was reasonably happy with it, but I could just never figure out how to do the trigger and the priming mechanism in this sort of aesthetic body shape. I was too locked in with trying to keep the Foxbat original shape and assembly method. Um, so I basically restarted from scratch in this version, um, and I'm quite happy with how this is working out. So I will post some more videos about this on the channel as more progress is made. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much all that I've got for you. Do want to mention, I have started to record design time lapses for designs, but they're really long videos. The first one that I posted was for an HPA full auto SMG rifle thing, um, and that ended up being like a 44-minute long video. The first cut of this video, getting to this stage in the design, just from nothing to what you have here in front of you. Um, the raw footage sped up by 800% ends up being like an hour and 20 minutes. Um, and that's 800% speed. So I think that works out to like 11 hours of raw video, edited down, sped up 800%, ends up at an hour and 20 minutes. So I'm probably going to be uploading a few time lapse videos of this, just chopping that up into smaller segments that are more digestible. So yeah. That's all that I've got for you on this. Uh, Keep up to date on more updates on it. Yeah. Bye.